Hello everybody and welcome to a Joyful Clay Tutor. My name is Tress, and in this video I would like to show you the two utensils that you need to buy when working with air dry clay or cold porcelain clay. Now I use a large spatula and I use a small spatula. Now these spatulas are not your normal regular spatulas. These spatulas are specialty spatulas. This one goes up to 480 degrees. This one goes up to 450 degrees. So I use these two utensils to to stir my clay while it's cooking on the stovetop, and I also use them when I'm mixing or kneading my clay after it comes off of the stovetop. So if you use a regular spatula like this one, that does not say 450 degrees, you try to stir this on the stovetop and it will melt. If you try to take this to knead it or mix it while the clay comes off of the stovetops, it will melt. So I do not recommend using regular spatulas. So, and in the next video, I'm going to show you how to prevent your hands from burning, when you make air dry clay or cold porcelain clay. And that'll be in my next video, part 2. And I'll put that link in the description down there or wherever. Well, anyways, please subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up on my video because I like to be liked. Thank you.